Sounds of Spring by Gabriele Goldstone. Art by Fiammetta Dogi. All over the world, birds announce the spring with their own unique sounds. In the Eastern European country of Ukraine, the stork and the cuckoo have especially strange ways to welcome spring. Clackety-clack, the stork's song. In Ukraine, the sound of clack-clack-clacking is a sure sign that spring has arrived. The huge bird called the stork has returned with its noisy clatter. Storks are mute and can't sing like most other birds. They talk to each other by clacking their giant beaks. Storks also use their beaks to carry sticks when building their enormous nests, and to defend those nests against intruders. When storks nest, the mother and father busily take turns keeping the eggs warm until they hatch. Male and female storks spend equal time warming the eggs. Later, the new parents bring food to the young ones. Storks like to eat reptiles, frogs, bugs, and snails, which they catch with their sharp beaks. In the fall, the young storks fly away with their parents. Many will spend winter in the warmth of Central Africa. These young storks won't be back for 3 years, but the mother and father storks will return the following year, clacking the arrival of another spring. Cuckoo time. Cuckoo, cuckoo. That could be the sound of a cuckoo clock announcing 2 o'clock. Or, deep in the forests of Ukraine, it could be the sound of a common male cuckoo bird calling out for a mate. Common female cuckoo birds can be very sneaky. After mating, a common female cuckoo will hide in the shadows and watch the other birds in the forest very carefully. She's looking for a nest in which to lay her eggs. Common female cuckoos don't build their own nests, and they don't look after their own eggs or babies. Instead, these cuckoos trick other birds into raising their young for them. When the female cuckoo finds just the right nest, she waits for the mother bird to fly away. Then this sneaky cuckoo will lay her own egg in the nest. Later, when the other mother bird comes back to her nest, she either accepts the cuckoo egg as her own, or, sensing something is wrong, abandons the nest, or throws out the egg. It's easy to see why common cuckoos aren't the most popular creatures. Still, there's something special about hearing the cuckoo's song while walking in the forest. Everyone who hears it knows that spring has arrived, and along with it, some mischief.